Let's factor these two expressions step by step. Let's get the factors of 6x squared and 10x. 6x squared is 2 times 3 times x times x. And 10 times x is 2 times 5 times x. We have 2 and x as their common factor right here. So the common factor is 2x. So we put 2x right here. And then times 6x squared divided by 2x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And x squared divided by x is equal to x. And then 10x divided by 2x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And x divided by x is 1. It's plus 5. Next, 3xy squared minus 21x squared y. Let's first take the factors of these two numbers. 3xy squared is 3 times x times y times y. 21x squared y is 3 times 7 times x times x times y. You can encircle down the common factors. So the common factor is 3xy. So we put 3xy in here. 3xy squared divided by 3xy. They're the same except for this y thing here. It's squared. Y squared divided by y is y. And then minus 21x squared y divided by 3xy is equal to minus 21 divided by 3 is 7. And x squared divided by x is x. And y divided by y is 1. So nothing changed. Our answer in number 2 is 3xy times y minus 7x. That's our answer. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.